Carplay work. Alright, let's try the back of the cam. Back of the cam works. Car information. We are working on 2016 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Customer would like to have a touchscreen Android Auto CarPlay. This factory radio has a backup cam on it. We're going to see if it can enable that. If not, the radio comes with a new backup cam. So this is the replacement radio. It has a CarPlay, Android Auto, mirror cast, Wi-Fi connection. Comes with a backup cam, as I said, just in case the factory doesn't work. Comes with a CAN bus with a T-harness antenna adapter. Everything you need to make it work. My external microphone, all the RCA connectivity here. First step is to remove this front panel. Disconnect the switch. These remove 4 screws, so they're Torx T25. There's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, total of 4. Pull the radio out. Remove those screws. Let's disconnect all that. It has 3 different interface plugs, so be sure to use the right one. Connect the antenna adapter.
Oh, this is manual card. Okay.
What is that, USB?
No, this is the CAN bus.
Oh, there's a CAN bus.
This is manual CAN bus. This is for this.
Direct. Is there a wire on the other end?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Let's try. And keep that.
Plug in this one first, where the CAN is up here. Radio didn't come on, so we're gonna try the other one that has a CAN location on other pins. Let's see if that one works. We gotta connect this. Something happened, it's just a flicker. No. Yep. Alright, so this plug, which has a CAN wire right next to each other. That did not work. So we are using another one that has a can wire. Can you hold this one? This has a can wire. This green and green white wire is a can. This one has can this way, sideways, versus the other one is up and down. That didn't work. So you just simply switch that plug. Be sure to reset by turning the key on and off. So as you can see, the radio came on. You gotta have an antenna? Oh no. Maybe that antenna is not the antenna.
Lottery's quick draw winners are drawn every.
Right. It goes into reverse, but no reverse cam video. We're gonna connect all the antenna microphone. Alright, so customer had an aftermarket backup cam. Luckily, it has a regular RCA cable here. So we're just gonna connect that to reverse wire, which is right here. There is two blue wires sticking out, no connection. RCA input. So let's see if that works. Reverse. Beautiful. Reverse cam works. Alright, so only thing we got left to do is to run the microphone from right up there, go to the side, come down by the pillar, run behind, and hook it up. Alright, that microphone is a little too short, so we're just gonna stick it up here somewhere else. So we're gonna remove these two screws. We're gonna put the microphone up here. So we just remove two screws. Pull this little, and we'll run this cable underneath and stick it right there. Stick it right there on the corner, on the wire. That's it. Simple as that.
Very difficult.
So microphone goes into where it says mic. Right, let's try Carplay. Wait, put this one behind. The microphone, you don't have to put it on the dash. It works fine behind the radio. So you can just stick it, any plastic piece on the back. I don't know why, but they made us to remove this back chassis. They could have just made the plastic mount just like the factory radio, but they decided to make the sub chassis mount. So you're gonna take the back piece out, and this new dashboard actually goes on where the sub chassis goes into.
Abajo tienes, abajo. Acá nomás quedo para que tengas.
Why would they do that? That doesn't make sense. All they had to do is just make the regular 4-screw mount like the factory radio. Why would they do that? Sometimes they overdo.
Arriba, arriba. Hay que estar, ¿sabes qué es eso?
Here more?
Solo eso nomás.
Let's see, wait, careful. Let's stick this one inside.
Espera la antena.
This antenna out. That doesn't make sense. Alright, so we got this thing out.
Espera. 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 Let me try first. Espera, mamá huevo.
Yeah, we need
Yes.
that.
Okay.
We're going to take these metal speed clips out, put it onto the new radio, because this top dash has to be screwed in like the factory one was. Still don't understand why they did that. All they had to do is make the chassis just like the radio. It would have been a simple way to do it. But no big deal.
¿Dónde se sabe?
Can we try Carplay and see if it works?
Okay. Conéctate al Carplay. You can connect this one.
Alright, so we got the radio Carplay working. Alright, let's try the backup cam. Backup cam works. Car information works.
Iba tumbo para allá.
Alright, let's put it together. Put the USB cable down here because there's a cubby hole there. So we can put USB phone charger right there.
This one. That's it.
There's a Carplay.
It's got ceiling.
Z-Link